Cameras were rolling when Jack Karlson was hauled into a police car outside a Brisbane Chinese restaurant in 1991.
Gentlemen, this is Democracy Manifest.
His bombastic monologue viewed by millions and made a meme many times over.
What is the charge? Eating a meal? A succulent Chinese meal?
It's one of 9 pieces of audio added to this year's Sounds of Australia collection at the National Film and Sound Archive.
We've got 120 years of audio history to pull from, recorded audio history. This is a program that's nominated by the public.
From a jingle that's proven impossible to forget,
1-3-0-0-6-5-5-5-0-6,
to a chorus that defined Australian pop.
and doesn't that sound familiar?
I'm so glad that it still resonates and it has been something that people have carried with them throughout the years.
All up, 4 songs made the cut, including You by Marsha Hines. And the best-selling single ever produced in Australia.
It's not so bad. It's a nicer place. Shaddap Your Face.
Rosie Batty's 2015 Australian of the Year speech gave a voice to victims of family violence.
I'd like to dedicate this award to my beautiful son Luke.
While the humble pedestrian crossing has set the rhythm of Australian streets. Sampled in Billie Eilish's global smash hit Bad Guy. Sounds treasured enough to stop traffic. Lily Knopfling, ABC News, Canberra.